In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update name servers on Hostinger for your domain. If you're moving your website to a new hosting provider or pointing your domain to a different DNS service, updating your name servers is the key step that makes the internet know where your domain should lead. I'll walk you through the process in Hostinger, explain what each step means, and share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by logging into your Hostinger account and opening the domains section. This is where all the domains you've registered or connected are listed. Find the domain you want to update and click Manage. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, which is where you'll make the change. Next, look for the DNS or name server section. Hostinger may label it as DNS via name servers or something very similar. This area can include two different things: DNS records, like A or C name entries, and name server settings. For this task, you want the name server settings, which control which DNS service your domain uses. Inside the name server settings, you'll see the current name servers applied to your domain. These might be Hostinger's defaults or ones you set previously. Replace the current name servers with the new ones you've been given by your hosting or DNS provider. They typically look like ns1.yourprovider.com and ns2.yourprovider.com. Enter them carefully, exactly as provided. If you see more than two fields, add any additional name servers only if your provider included them. If you're unsure, two are usually sufficient, but always follow the instructions from your new provider. It's a good idea to copy and paste to avoid typos, and you may want to keep a note or screenshot of the old values just in case you need to switch back. Once the new name servers are in place, save the changes. Hostinger will confirm the update and apply it to your domain at the registrar level. There's nothing more you need to do here. Now comes propagation. Name server changes don't take effect instantly across the entire internet. While it can be quick, it may take several hours and in some cases up to 24-48 hours. During this time, some visitors may still see the old site while others see the new one. After waiting, check that your domain is working correctly by visiting it in your browser. You can also try an incognito window, clear your DNS cache, or use a public DNS checker to confirm the new name servers have spread globally. That's it. You've updated your name servers in Hostinger, saved the changes, and verified the domain is working as expected.